Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Poetry dependency management for Python analytics projects. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Poetry dependency management for your Python analytics projects, follow these steps. First, ensure you have Python installed on your system. You can download it from the official Python website if you haven't done so. Next, install Poetry using the command line. Run the command curl sslhttps://install.python-poetry.org Python 3. This will download and install the latest version of Poetry. After installation, verify it by running the command Poetry version. Now, navigate to your project directory using the command line. If you don't have a project directory yet, you can create one. Use the command dir mypython project, replacing mypython. Then, change into the new directory with cd mypython project. To initialize your project with Poetry, run the command poetry init. Follow the prompts to set up your project details. You can specify the package name, version, description, and author information. After you finish the setup, Poetry will create a pyproject.toml file. This file will manage your project's dependencies and configurations. To add a dependency, use the command poetry add package_name. Replace package_name with the library you want to include, like pandas or numpy. Poetry will automatically resolve and install the dependency. To install all dependencies listed in the pyproject.toml, run poetry install. If you need to run your Python scripts, use the command poetry run python script_name.py. Replace script_name.py with the name of your actual Python script. To update your dependencies, you can simply use poetry update. To check if any dependencies are outdated, run poetry show outdated. Now you have successfully set up Poetry for your Python analytics projects. With Poetry, managing your project dependencies will be much easier and more efficient. Happy coding! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.